Today I'm going to talk about the difference between a notch and a dart. Now these are two things that are very different, they have really different purposes, but because they're the same shape they often get confused in people's minds, which I can completely understand. But as you're reading your pattern, if you're muddling up those two terms, you're going to get yourself so confused and be so frustrated. So today I'm going to lay it out nice and clear what is a notch and what is a dart. Here we've got a fairly typical bodice front piece with lovely examples of both notches and darts. So your notches are these small arrow-shaped markings around the perimeter of the pattern piece. Their purpose is to help you to match up one piece with another. So the back bodice piece will have an equivalent notch along its edge that you would match up as you're sewing this side seam to keep everything even, balanced and in its correct place. Your dart is this large arrow-shaped piece, and they're usually punctuated by these small dots or circles. And when sewing, you would bring your circles together to match up the legs of the dart, usually putting this very end on a fold, and then you'd sew along this line between those two circles to create a three-dimensional shape in your garment. I'm going to make more videos explaining how to transfer your notches to your pattern pieces and how to sew a dart, so keep an eye out for those.